Hey everyone, as promised, we're going to try to do some Midwest cooking. And I'm going to make this as simple as I can for all of you ladies and gents that want to have some Midwest food that is easy. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm making potato soup. And my mother, God rest her soul, always said you cook by taste. Cook by taste. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do as far as this potato soup to make it easy, quick, okay? So what I did, let's get started. 2 tablespoons of butter. I put it, and I've already melted it in this little saucepan. Then I've chopped up, I went ahead and did it, but I wanted to show you before I saute. You're going to saute the onion, and it's just a small half of an onion, maybe less than a regular size medium onion. Let me get it out. We're going to put that in there. Woo! Okay. Let's get that out of the way. And then we're going to saute this down, okay? And this is something that, turn down the heat because I turned it up to warm up that butter. You melt the butter, you put the onion or onion. I don't know if any of you remember watching Justin Wilson, I think was his name, from Baton Rouge, Louisiana. He used to do a cooking show. Justin Wilson cooking. If you guys remember him, let me know. So we're going to cut down these onions here. Then, as we're moving on, we're going to put in already cooked potatoes. Okay, this is a Kroger brand. If you have Kroger in your area, just the white sliced, and you can see they're sliced. When you open the can, you drain the water out of these things. Do not pour that water with the potatoes in here. Drain it out so your potatoes are like this. Okay, no water with them. Boy, these onions smell great. Love cooking with garlic and onions. Oh, it's wonderful. So then, the only things we're going to add to this, guys, is some cheese at the end and salt and pepper to taste and some milk. And of course we have butter in there cooking with the onions. Easy peasy, guys. Easy peasy. Now, you always remember you don't put as much milk in as the potatoes. I'm putting maybe 3.5 cups of potatoes in here, I'm guessing. I don't know. Let's measure that. You put about half of the milk that you would normally. So we have, there's just a little bit left. There's about a cup there, and that much left in the can. So I'm guessing we're going to put about maybe 1.5 cups of milk, maybe just a tad more, maybe a cup and 2/3 of a cup to go with that extra cup. We'll see how it looks when we get it in there. But the onion is cooking down. So let's go ahead and, oh, I need that measuring cup. Hold on. I'm not perfect, guys. So we need to put the milk in. Come out there, baby. Let's go over here and put 1 cup of milk in. I'm going to pour that in with the onion and the butter. 2 tablespoons of butter, if I didn't say in a minute ago. Put in the potatoes. There's 1 can right here. There's 1 can. Second can that's been drained. And the 3rd can. Now there's only a cup in here of milk right now. So we're going to put maybe another 2/3 of a cup in there. We'll measure it and see how that looks. That looks good. 1 cup and 2/3 of a cup. And then you let it cook. And then when you are done, you're going to add cheese. So I'm going to lift this over and show you inside this pot so you can see what it kind of looks like. And you will salt and pepper this, okay, to your taste. Okay. So I like a little pepper, salt. And it'll probably take a little more than that, but this will get us started. You don't want to put in too much at the beginning because you don't want to overdo it. Set it over here. And then stir it up. Let it heat up, and it will break down a little bit. And within 20 minutes, you will have potato soup. So that's my recipe for the week. Midwest cooking. Easy peasy. I like to serve this with cornbread. That's what I usually do. But since it's kind of carby with the potatoes, I'll probably just serve it with some apple slices. And that will be it for the day, for lunch. Husband loves it. Anyway, you guys take care, and we will see you soon. Bye-bye.